Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 2. Huge 8-inch AMOLED display, flagship processor, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, Gorilla Glass Victus protection, highest industrial standard material, fast charging and many more. Today I will show you the unboxing and the first impression of the Mi Mix Fold 2. Mi Mix Fold 2 achieves the ultimate thinness and the lightness in the folding screen phone industries. Without wasting your time, we have start with the quick unboxing to show you the box content. In the box, you get the Mi Mix Fold 2 phone on the top, 67-watt power adapter along with the USB Type-C to A cable, Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack converter, SIM ejector tool and the hard plastic case. Let's remove the plastic of the phone and talk about the design and build. In the terms of external screen design, Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 2 is no longer a remote control shape. The 6.56-inch external screen is no different from the mainstream straight screen phone. In the folded state, this is a straight screen flagship phone. More importantly, the thing is Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is extremely thin and light. With a thickness of only 5.4mm on the side, even in the folded state, the thickness is only 11.2mm, which is similar to the thickness of the traditional smartphone with case. The weight of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is only 262 grams, which is even lighter than the smaller Oppo Find N and the Galaxy Fold 4. In the terms of colors, Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 provides two types, black and gold, and this is gold version. It looks very elegant. The design of the back of the phone is also very simple. The golden backshell under the edgy frosted glass seems to be coated with the thin layer of frost. It is not dazzling under the light but has a misty beauty, and the hands feel is smooth and it is not easy to stick fingerprints and sweat stains. The camera module is horizontal shape. Inside the module, the camera are arranged in the form of large circle, small circle and small square. On the left side of the logo, there is also a circular flashlight. Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 uses a dual stereo speaker with Harman Kardon professional tuning, supports of Dolby Atmos, high-res audio certification, high-res audio wireless certification. The volume key and the power button and the fingerprint sensor button are located on the right side of the phone. In the folded state, the left hinge part adopts a straight edge design and a large area is left blank. Let's talk about the display. The external screen size of Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is 6.56 inch. The display ratio is 21:9 and the resolution is 2520 by 1080p. E5 material, then supports P3 color gamut, supports Dolby Vision, supports HDR10 Plus certification and the contrast ratio is 80:1. Support 10-bit color depth and the surface is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protected. The external screen is basically a narrow edge of four sides visually, which is very surprising. The right side of the screen adopts a slightly curved design and the center of the screen is punched hole. This is also a only front camera of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. After unfolding, the inner screen of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is 8.02 inch and uses the Scout Ultra Thin UTG glass. In terms of the display effect, the main screen resolution is 2016 by 1914. Then P3 color gamut, Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus certifications, contrast ratio is same as on. The consistent internal and external 120Hz refresh rate, then 1000 nit full brightness. The internal and external screen experience of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is completely consistent and there will be no sense of separation. In terms of the hinge, Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 uses a self-developed integrated micro droplet hinge, which is also the key to how thin and how light it is. To put it simply, the water droplet formed by the screen when the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is folded and smaller. In the camera part, Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is equipped with the 50 megapixel IMX766 main camera as well as 13 megapixel ultra wide angle and the 8 megapixel 2x portrait telephoto. Among them, the main camera has a 1x1.56 outstall with f1.8 support SMA OIS optical image stabilization and has a 7P anti-glare professional coating. The Mi Mix Fold 2 also offers the two shooting styles, Leica Vivid and Leica Classic. You can see the photo samples here. core configuration, Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is equipped with the new generation of Snapdragon 8 Plus flagship chipset with full-blood LPDDR5 RAM and the UFS 3.1 storage. Let's take a look at the running score of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. As shown in this figure, the comprehensive score of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 Antutu reached is 1.1 million points. You can play the high-end game with high setting. Let's talk about the OS. Phone runs on MIUI Fold 13 based on Android 12. In terms of the large screen interface, Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 provides the 3-finger application split screen, view window, parallel window and more. In terms of the input methods, Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 has also been optimized and adapted. Include 3 custom input methods that supports the double G and double V and so on. Take the 3-finger application split screen as an example. The 3-finger swipe left or right can directly open the split screen mode, and the commonly used split screen combination can also save the shortcut startup icon on the desktop. At the same time, the small window weld function has been added, which can be hidden on the edge of the screen. If we talk about the battery, 4500 mAh batteries in the parallel, 67 watt wired fast charge, official claim 40 minutes to 100% charge. The base variant price of the Mi Mix Fold 2 starts in the US is around $1,450 and the UK is around £1,250. Compared with the previous generation product, the changes and upgraded Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 can be described as a earth-shaking, excellent and consistent internal and external dual screen experience, top level performance and an extremely thin and light industrial design. Same to justify its own R&D innovation level and compared with the folding screen products of the friends. Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is a rare folding large screen mobile phone with a breakthrough in the field of the thin and light. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, just comment below and we will answer them soon. Also give video thumbs up and make sure to share with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling and I will see you in the next one.